Hey guys, if you're new to this channel, my name's Brooke. Thanks for coming over. Today I'm entering my audition video for James Charles' beauty themed reality competition show that's happening this spring, and it sounds amazing. I want to be a part of it, so I thought I'd shoot my shot, and you can't win if you don't play. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the get ready with me. I will have everything listed down below if you're interested. So I'm 22 years old and I'm from Bradenton, Florida. I live with my boyfriend of 6 years, Isaac, and our 2 pups, Baxter and Fergie. I work part-time at a local cosmetics company. I do a lot of their shipments, so I spend a lot of time around makeup. But it's what I love to do and always has been since a really young age. And now I'm putting a primer water on my face and kind of just working it in. I'm actually going to put it on my eyelids too because I can exactly recall when I had fell in love with makeup. I found a black eye pencil and I took that baby and I put that in my waterline and I know who I thought I was. I remember thinking, that's what's so funny. I thought I was like all mysterious and cool. Really, I was just moody and I was making myself look extra moody. After high school, I decided to go to a technical school nearby and get my license for cosmetology. So that's what I did right when after I graduated, and then worked as a hairdresser for a few years. I actually worked with a really great group of women and they were really supportive, and they would always like tease like, oh, you should start a YouTube channel, and I always would be like, yeah. It just got to the point where I was watching people like Desi Perkins, Katy, Nikki tutorials, Patrick Star. Like, I was watching hours of makeup tutorials a day. And I just, like, it hit me and I was just like, well, I should try this, you know, like give it a try. And it did take a lot for me to like start up this whole thing. So I'm pretty proud of my progress. Eventually I decided that if it's something I love and I put a lot of energy and time into it, then it'll eventually work out. So that's what I've been working on in my free time. I've always had an interest in like movies and film production and like makeup, costumes. I've always been drawn to that, and as I get older I realize like I'm circling right back to those things that I like jumped to instinctively as a child. I first started my YouTube channel, well, I created it in 2017, but I didn't get around until actually posting a video until 2018 in the summer. And it was a bit of a overwhelming idea, I guess, to start off the YouTube. It's always really awkward in the beginning. I think it gets easier and I've noticed progress, and that's all that matters. I think I would bring a lot of positivity and empowerment to the beauty community. I feel like it needs that. Like, I want to just radiate empowerment. I don't know. I can't think of the word. I really think I would be a really good addition to James Charles' beauty reality competition show, and I know that I would kill it. I would crush it in there, and I hope I get the opportunity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video so I have a chance on getting on this competition. It would mean the world to me. James, I challenge you to challenge me. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.